Did you know that yawning is contagious across all animals? Watch this. When one chimpanzee yawns, the others start yawning too. And it's not just chimps. Dogs catch yawns from their owners. And even you probably yawn just thinking about it. But here's the crazy part. Scientists discovered that animals who yawn together actually care about each other more. It's like a secret empathy superpower that connects friends and families across the entire animal kingdom. So next time you yawn, remember, you're sharing invisible magic. Follow for more amazing animal secrets.